Camping on a budget? You don't have to spend big to enjoy the great outdoors. In this video, we're revealing 40 must-have camping gadgets, all under $20. From compact cooking gear to clever survival tools, these affordable essentials will upgrade your next outdoor adventure without draining your wallet. Stick around. Tool number 31 is a total lifesaver, and you'll wish you had it sooner. Without further ado, let's dive in. Reliable off-grid power is crucial for outdoor adventures. The Renogy solar panel blanket delivers 25% high-efficiency solar charging in an ultra-lightweight foldable design with a carrying handle and shoulder strap. Built with advanced N-type solar cells, it's perfect for RVs, SUVs, marine, camping, or off-grid power stations, making it your go-to solar generator solution. Restful sleep outdoors is essential for energy-packed adventures. The Hikenture sleeping pad offers 4-inch thick foam comfort, a 9.5 R value for all-season insulation, and quick self-inflation with a dual-mode valve and pump sack. Lightweight, whisper quiet, and ultra-cozy, it's perfect for tent, cot, car, or truck camping, your portable solution for luxurious wilderness sleep. Keeping food and drinks cold outdoors is vital for any adventure. The East-Oak Hard Cooler offers a 25-quart capacity, extra-long ice retention, and a tilt-free drain system with an anti-fall plug. Built with rotomolded LLDPE, an easy-access lid, and lightweight portability, it's perfect for camping, backyard parties, or fishing trips. Reliable portable power is essential for outdoor trips and emergencies. The ATIMA power station delivers 720 watts of capacity, 600 watts of pure sine wave output, and multiple ports, AC, DC, and USB, to power phones, laptops, lights, or mini fridges. Lightweight and rechargeable via solar, wall, or car, it's perfect for RVs, camping, travel, home backup, or as a thoughtful gift. Outdoor meals and activities require a stable, spacious surface for comfort and convenience. The ever-advanced camping table features a durable aluminum composite top, adjustable height, and support for up to 130 pounds. With its folding design and carrying handle, this portable table is ideal for camping, barbecues, picnics, or indoor use with 4 to 6 people. Securing shelters in changing conditions demands a strong, easy-to-use line. The OneWind HMWPE tent Guyline features an ultralight 40-foot no-knot rope with 250 pounds of strength, 3 Prusik knots, and a tarp ridgeline mini reel. Ideal for hammock tarp, rainfly, or camping setup, it ensures quick, tangle-free anchoring for versatile indoor and outdoor use. Long outdoor events or travel demand lasting comfort in any seat. Introducing the ATEPA Stadium Seat Cushion, a self-inflating memory foam cushion made of PVC-free, skin-friendly 30D elastic fabric with a TPU-coated waterproof bottom. Ultralight, portable, and versatile, it's ideal for stadiums, airplanes, bleachers, camping, patio seating, and backpacking adventures. Unpredictable weather and rugged terrain demand reliable shelter. Introducing the GEERTOP Ultralight Backpacking Tent, a 4-season waterproof double-layer tent made from 210T tear-resistant polyester with a PU 3000mm coating and a snow skirt for harsh conditions. Lightweight, easy to set up, and well-ventilated, it's perfect for hiking, mountaineering, camping, and outdoor travel. Cold, wind, and wet ground can ruin any outdoor moment without the right protection. Meet the Down Under Outdoors Blanket, a large, waterproof, windproof, extra-thick 350 GSM quilted fleece or Sherpa stadium blanket. With corner loops, sand pockets, a wearable toggle, and a storage sack. It's perfect for sports, festivals, the beach, the park, or home use. Cooking over an open flame requires a reliable portable grill that's easy to set up anywhere. The Bitty Big Q Camping Grill is a compact, retractable, lightweight cooking rack made from 316 food-grade stainless steel. With a true one-piece design, 3 adjustable heights, and a carrying pouch, it's ideal for camping, bushcraft, or kitchen use. Navigating rugged trails demands a strong yet lightweight support tool that's built for the outdoors. The Forest Pilot walking stick is crafted from pure fir wood, features a camouflage paracord handle, and offers a durable waterproof coating with a rubber tip. Ideal for hiking, it provides tenacity, grip, and emergency utility in any terrain. When every ounce matters on the trail, a compact and durable shelter is essential. The Near Zero backpacking tent features an ultralight aluminum frame, sealed 20D ripstop nylon, and a freestanding design with up to 2 doors. Built for 3-season camping, it's perfect for backpacking, hiking, and fast setups in unpredictable weather. Inflating your paddleboard by hand can waste time and energy before the adventure even begins. The OutdoorMaster Soupy Air Pump delivers 20 pounds per square inch high-pressure inflation with intelligent dual-stage technology, auto shutoff, and deflation function. Compact and powerful, it connects via a 12-volt DC car plug, perfect for inflating supboards quickly before your next outing. Relaxation shouldn't come at the cost of comfort or durability during your outdoor downtime. Introducing the CHULIM Hammock, a 12-foot double-quilted fabric hammock with spreader bars and a pillow, offering 450 pounds of weight capacity for 2 people. Weather-resistant, reversible, and ultra-stable. It's ideal for patio, poolside, backyard, or garden lounging. Bug bites can quickly ruin outdoor fun, so lasting protection is essential. The Sawyer insect repellent features 20% picaridin, offering up to 14 hours of mosquito and tick defense and 8 hours against flies and gnats. Odorless, non-greasy, safe for family and gear, it's perfect for camping, hiking, hunting, barbecues, and backyard adventures. Outdoor cooking demands versatility, portability, and efficiency all in one compact system. Introducing the COBB Charcoal Grill, a 10-in-1 portable grill built with 304 stainless steel grates, perfect for camping, RVs, boats, and tailgates. With precision heat control, eco-friendly fuel use, and 10 accessories, it's ideal for grilling, smoking, baking, or frying anywhere adventure leads. Rest and support are essential for outdoor adventures. The Step 2. Gold Tada chair combines a portable walking stick and a foldable chair into one lightweight, durable design. Featuring an ergonomic handle, anti-slip rubber feet, and reinforced structure, it offers stability and comfort for hiking, camping, or any time you need a quick rest. A sturdy portable surface is essential for outdoor dining and activities. Meet the Opliy camping table, a lightweight, collapsible table designed for 1 to 2 people. Featuring a durable carbon steel tabletop, X-frame steel legs supporting up to 172 pounds, and a scratch-resistant finish, it's perfect for camping, hiking, picnics, barbecues, and beach trips. Having a reliable, leak-proof container is essential for carrying drinks outdoors. The Boundless Voyage Hip Flask Rust is made of pure, non-allergenic titanium, preserving the taste of whiskey, vodka, or wine. With a 250 milliliter capacity, solid lid connection, and included funnel, it's perfect for hiking, picnics, bars, and travel. Comfort and versatility are crucial for outdoor seating. The POEPORE camping chair offers a reclining design with 4 adjustable positions and a detachable footrest for ultimate relaxation. Equipped with a cooler bag, cup holder, and side pockets, its sturdy frame supports up to 265 pounds. Perfect for camping, the beach, the patio, or indoor use. Staying warm outdoors is essential for comfort and safety. The ATEPA wearable sleeping bag uses recycled, eco-friendly materials with 650 FP insulation, offering superior warmth and windproof protection. This ultralight, packable 3-in-1 design converts into a blanket, poncho, or jacket, perfect for camping, hiking, sports events, or chilly nights around the fire. Comfort and protection from bugs are vital for outdoor relaxation. Introducing the OneWind camping hammock, an 11-foot double hammock made from durable, breathable material with a removable bug net. Lightweight at 2.6 pounds, it includes adjustable tree straps, an organizer, and a lantern hanger, offering quick setup and superior comfort for hiking, backpacking, and camping. Having a lightweight portable seat is essential for outdoor comfort. Introducing the Howillto camping stool, a 16-inch tall folding stool weighing only 1.5 pounds with a built-in carry bag. Its roomy seat supports up to 280 pounds with durable aluminum legs and waterproof fabric. Ideal for hiking, fishing, camping, or a quick rest anywhere. Reliable inflation is crucial for the quick setup of inflatable gear. The OutdoorMaster SUP Air Pump Shark offers intelligent dual-stage inflation with auto-off and deflation functions. It features a 12-volt DC car connector, an active cooling system, and a digital pressure display. Perfect for SUP boards, kayaks, boats, airbeds, and more. Fast, safe, and efficient. Power backup is essential for uninterrupted outdoor and home use. Meet the GROWATT Power Station, a compact 17.99-pound solar generator with a 538 watt-hour battery and 600 watts of output. It charges 11 devices simultaneously via USB-A, USB-C, car, wireless, and AC outlets. Fast charging in 1.6 hours, perfect for camping, RVs, and emergencies. Comfortable neck and lumbar support are vital for restful outdoor sleep. The Allen X camping pillows are compact, lightweight, and inflatable, with adjustable firmness for personalized comfort. Made from durable, water-resistant TPU fabric with anti-slip features, they're perfect for backpacking, hiking, camping, and travel, providing ergonomic support wherever you go. Long periods of sitting demand extra comfort and support. The ATEPA inflatable stadium seat cushion offers luxurious memory foam and a self-inflating design for instant comfort. With 3 connection styles and 4 arrangements, it's versatile as a seat pad, pillow, lumbar support, or armrest. Ideal for stadiums, camping, travel, and outdoor activities. Outdoor cooking demands a reliable portable grill. The only fire charcoal hibachi grill features thick ceramic clay for durability and high heat resistance, with an anti-scalding wooden handle for safety. Its grid lifter eases handling, while efficient vents offer precise flame control. Perfect for camping, picnics, and backyard barbecues, it ensures delicious meals anywhere. A relaxing day outdoors requires a chair that offers comfort and convenience. The WK Mount Backpack Beach Chair features a 5-position aluminum frame with a lay-flat option, a bamboo camping table, and a detachable, insulated cooler bag. Lightweight with padded backpack straps, it's perfect for beach trips, picnics, or outdoor lounging thanks to its built-in storage and easy portability. Hot days demand instant portable cooling wherever you go. The AJGJF handheld fan features 3-speed airflow, a 4,000 mAh battery, an LED display, and a power bank function. Its 180-degree folding design doubles as a phone holder or desk fan. Lightweight and compact, it's ideal for travel, makeup, kids, outdoor activities, or daily personal cooling. Long hours under the sun demand full protection without sacrificing comfort. The Rosoz Outdoor Sun Hat offers UPF 50+ protection with a wide brim and neck flap to block 98% of harmful rays. Made from breathable, quick-drying nylon with mesh ventilation, it's adjustable, packable, and perfect for fishing, hiking, camping, beach days, and outdoor adventures. Reliable lighting is essential for safety and visibility during outdoor activities and emergencies. The Opliy LED torch delivers 5,000 lumens with 11 lighting modes, including strobe and SOS, plus zoom from 300 to 6,000 feet. Rechargeable via USB-C, waterproof, and durable, it's perfect for camping, dog walking, and emergency use. Keeping precise time with elegant style is essential for every modern man. The Olev's analog quartz watch combines luxury and function, featuring a luminous moon phase chronograph, diamond dial, and durable silicone strap. With Japanese movement, a waterproof build, and scratch-resistant glass, it's ideal for business, casual, or dress occasions where style meets performance. Carrying daily essentials while cycling demands secure and weatherproof storage. The Kemimoto rear rack bag offers a 20-liter capacity with multiple compartments, including expandable panniers, a water bottle pocket, and detachable dividers. Made from water-resistant 600D Oxford fabric with a rain cover, hard panel support, and reflective details, it is perfect for grocery shopping, commuter cycling, or weekend biking trips. And there you have it, 40 budget-friendly camping gadgets under $20 that prove you don't need to spend a fortune to camp like a pro. Which one will you add to your gear list? Drop your pick in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a roundup of epic tools and outdoor gear. Until next time, pack smart, stay safe, and enjoy the wild.